had a couple people that ask about what glue I use and how to use that more and why I use it. So I'm going to show you really quick the extruder getting plugged. I'm going to fix that and we'll give it another go. Hopefully it was just this part lifting that caused an issue. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's totally off now. I'm gonna go wash the PVA mold release off this side of the bed, and then we'll apply the Bambu liquid glue stick and then just a standard Elmers glue and see how that compares to this PVA versus nothing. Even though nothing obviously didn't work since it warped. Now, both of these glue sticks will work. I probably should open that first. I don't use the Bambu liquid glue or the Elmers glue stick, at least on these textured plates, is because of the residue that's left behind can interfere with the texture. So they are good options for just trying to stick down a normal print to like a textured PEI or a smooth plate. Elmers glue stick does the same thing as the purple ones basically. So that should be a pretty even coating of the Bambu liquid glue versus the Elmers glue stick. We'll get this preheated the rest of the way and we'll run that same program. Moment of truth, go back and run this. All right. Got that first layer going down, looks pretty good. We got the final test done now, let it cool. Okay, it's on there pretty good then. A moment of truth, compare our Elmers glue to the Bambu liquid glue. Oh, there we go. Well, that's cool. Support's definitely come off. I haven't dialed it in yet. Alright, so there's that. Supports are off. That's cool. They don't look amazing, but that's not what we're here for. So that's what the Elmers glue looks like, and the Bambu liquid glue actually doesn't look too bad on this one, but usually it's more prone to leaving a residue similar to this Elmers glue stick. So let's go wash this off and then we can compare it. And while I'm here pulling off the last bits of the support material that was left behind, I did want to make a note that I don't know how well you can see it, but the Bambu glue stick actually kind of pulls up the texture, since this is just a sticker sheet, right, on the spring steel, stainless steel. So keep that in mind, that depending how strong of a glue you use, even if the texture works good, if it doesn't release decently, you can start to rip up that sticker. So also it's kind of a pain to go and pull this off after. So it's kind of in between that you need something that releases easy but holds good like the glue stick, but then doesn't wreck the texture. All right, these have been sitting for a day now in front of a fan. I forgot to come back and check them. You know how it is, you get distracted with things. So let's see what our results are. This one, that's the plain side that warped, so nothing on it. This was the side with PVA. The mold release, can't really see anything. I can't tell if that's like a fingerprint or the glue, but yeah, the texture looks perfect. No warping on this side. Obviously it got stopped early, but that was unrelated. This one, you can see the Bambu glue leaves kind of a milky looking residue. Not really a residue, I guess, because all that should be wiped off. It's not sticky or anything. It just kind of mutes and mats the textured finish. So unless you apply it very evenly, you're not going to get great results. And of course it changes it too, so that's still better than the Elmer's glue, which is much more blotchy and spotted and also somewhat pitted in areas too. So that was just a quick explanation for why I use the PVA versus Bambu or Elmer's glue, or really any other bed adhesive. Now of course the Bambu glue stick and Elmer's glue worked great to hold the print down, but if you want to try this PVA so it's less intrusive on the print texture, here's how I apply it. First step is getting just the corner, whatever, of the rag damp. So like that. You don't want it dripping wet, just damp. And now what we're going to do is take our bottle of this PVA Mold Release and put the rag over the top of it and just give it turn over, and then maybe do on one other dot. And then I'll start out by going kind of side to side, applying that glue, and then going up and down to spread it out evenly. And you'll be able to see a pattern similar to this once you get it down nice. If you want to apply the PVA while the textured sheet is on the hotbed, or if you apply it detached like I just did on the table because you need to clean off other glue stick or whatever, make sure you set the temperature to 0, because if you drop this bed on there or start putting water on it, it's trying to heat the bed and then start seeing a 5 to 10 C drop in temperature, and you'll get an error for thermal runaway, or at least you should. So this is a good way to test that, I guess, if you've never tested it, but then you'll have to reboot the machine. After that, it's pretty simple. Just get it lined up and installed, and you're ready to rock.